Hello everyone, welcome to the video on autonomous vehicle. Myself, Dr. P. Padmanabhan, Assistant Professor, Department of Automobile Engineering, Ishwari Engineering College. In this video, we are going to learn about what is autonomous vehicle, how it is working, the outline of the video, what is autonomous vehicle, how autonomous vehicle works, why and what we expect from automated vehicle, autonomous vehicle versus manual operation, how autonomous car visualize, levels of automation, status of autonomous vehicle. These are the things we are going to cover in this video. Let's go and see one by one. What is autonomous vehicle? A vehicle gets from one point to another point without human interaction. That's known as autonomous. So recently you may heard so many words: automated, autonomous, connected, self-driving, driverless, automated driving system. These terminology commonly used for autonomous vehicle technology. Let's see how autonomous vehicle works. So here you can see in this diagram, you can clearly notice what are the major components of autonomous vehicle. So here you can see GPS system, LiDAR, video camera, radar sensors, central computer, as well as ultrasonic sensors. So there are numerous radar sensors as well as cameras and other sensors are there. So the sensors collects all the data and sends to the central computer. So based on the sensor data, the central computer take decision to steer the vehicle or brake the vehicle. So this is the common functionality how the autonomous cars works. So here you can see how the radar sensors collects the data and how it is work. First of all, what do you mean by radar? Radar is nothing but radio detection and ranging. So in this diagram you can see the basic principle of radar. Radar, radio detection and ranging. So the major components of radar is transmitter, receiver, antenna. The transmitter sends radio signals through the air. When the radio signal detect any object or it touches any object, it reflects the radio signal. That signal sent to receiver as a echo. Based on the signal strength, wavelength, we can find the where how far the particular object is there. So radar signal mainly used for detecting the object. Normally radars used in air traffic, military, weather monitoring and rescue operation. Then LiDAR. LiDAR is nothing but light detection and ranging. LiDAR also working on the same principle of radar. The major difference is instead of radio signal, LiDAR sends a laser. So LiDAR also playing a major role like a radar in an autonomous vehicle. LiDAR used to find the traffic and also surroundings and also find the road marking, lane markings, road edges. So this is what the different sensors in a autonomous cars working. So based on this data, the central computer take a decision. So it combines all the data, that is sensors data fusion is working on here. So all these data are combined together and take a decision to move the vehicle from one point to another point. And based on this, there are various actions are taken. So this is how the autonomous cars working. Why and what we expect from automated driving. Based on the CDC, Center for Disease Control, around 1.35 million people died every year by the road accident. In 2022, India saw more than 46 lakhs road accidents. In that, more than 16 lakhs people were died. More than 4 lakhs people were injured, which is one death in every 3 minutes. According to WHO, out of 10 accidents, 9 is due to human error. So that we need autonomous driving. When we are implementing autonomous driving, what is going to happen? What will autonomous vehicle will do? So autonomous vehicle will improve the safety by reducing human driving errors, and it significantly contribute to the optimization of traffic flow, and also it help to reduce the CO2 emission, and also it enhance the driving ability of elderly people and unconfident drivers. Autonomous vehicle with manual operation. So here in this diagram you can see the left one is autonomous vehicle and right one is conventional vehicle. And the left one, the camera, lidar and other sensors as well as lidars and actuators and computers are there. And right hand side you can see sensors as well as actuators and computer, which all denotes a human, right? So here what we can understand, so human can act as a sensors as well as computer. So human can decide the situation and decide the operation of all the take all the control of the vehicle. At the same time, in autonomous vehicle, the sensors take the signals. Based on the signals, computer decides and computer activates the mechanism to operate the vehicle. So here the interesting fact about the autonomous vehicle as well as conventional vehicles. So human perception and reaction time is 1.5 second. At the same time, autonomous vehicle reaction and perception time is 0.1 second only. So this capability can reduce safe spacing between vehicles around 50%. And it also increase the highway capacity more than around 100%, approximately 100%, and also significantly reduce the accident as well as injuries. So in this next slide you can see how the autonomous vehicle visualize. So here you can see the video on the right side is the actual visual which we can able to see, and the center one, this is the visual seen by the autonomous car. So all the signals and all the data points. So this is what the vehicle looking the surrounding. Based on the automation levels, SAE designated different levels. So level 0 no automation, level 1 driver assistance, and level 2 partial automation, level 3 conditional automation, and level 4 high automation, and level 5 full automation. So these levels are segregated based on the performance of the vehicle on particular task, that is execution of steering and acceleration control, monitoring of driving environment, and fallback performance of dynamic driving tasks, and system capability. Here in this system is nothing but autonomous vehicle, the computer control, right? So here the task of execution of steering and acceleration control in level 0, which is done by human. The monitoring of driving environment also done by human, and fallback performance of dynamic driving tasks also done by human. And system capability, there is no system work, since it is no automation. There is no involvement of system. Let's go to the level 1 automation. So the execution of steering and acceleration can be done by both human as well as autonomous. Monitoring of environment will be done by human itself, and fallback performance also done by human. And some of the more driving modes are controlled by the system. Let's go to the partial automation level 2. So the steering and acceleration controlled by autonomous vehicle system. Environmental monitoring done by human, and dynamic task also done by human. And some of the driving modes are done by system. In conditional monitoring, driving as well as steering, acceleration, environmental monitoring done by system, and dynamics tasks done by human driver. For high automation, most of the tasks are done by system itself. In full automation, completely all the tasks as well as all the driving modes are done by system itself, that is robotaxi. So what are all coming under level 0, that is no automation? Lane departure warning, front collision, and parking distance. In level 0, there is no assistance. There is no assistance or system controlled. All the performance are only a warning systems. Just alert the drivers. It will not control the vehicle. It alert the driver only. So the example of no automation: Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Ford, as well as Nissan. Similarly, level 1 automation, that is driver assistance. So adaptive cruise control, park assist, lane keep assist. So these are all the tasks done by the automatically done. So these are all the conditions for level 1 automation. And level 2 partial automation, that is parking assistance and traffic jam assist. So Tesla model, Nissan, Honda Accord. So these are all the example for level 2 automations. For level 3 conditional automation, traffic jam chaffer, motorway chaffer. So these two tasks are considered as a level 3 conditional automation. So Mercedes-Benz, Audi, e-tron are example for level 3 automation. And level 4 automation is high automation, highway pilot and piloted parking. So these are all coming under the tasks by level 4 automation. So Volvo XC300, BMW and Honda Legend and Volkswagen are example for level 4 automation. For level 5 fully automation, that is robo taxi. So most of you may heard about Waymo. So this is the first fully automated vehicle currently running in US soil. So the statistics of the Waymo almost completed 7 million riders only miles. So in that, based on that, the statistics, 85% of a reduction in injury causing crashes and 57% of road crash accidents are reduced. So these are the recent, these are all recent statistics about the Waymo. In near future, most of the areas will be covered by Waymo. So top companies involving autonomous vehicle manufacturing. The countries are listed. So most of the car manufacturer as well as software companies are involved in car manufacturing, that is autonomous vehicle manufacturing. So here I have listed some of the countries, so especially India as well as foreign countries. So that's it from the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.